Thank you so much. This is Brian Kabinga, E372995, a student in zoological science. That is, we are going to discuss our project, and we have 3 colleagues. So I want to introduce them one by one as we are going to move on. Thank you so much. I welcome one of them to introduce themselves as we move on. Thank you
so much, my colleague. My name is Jafet Maturi Nyabuto, registration number E37-70-2021. Let me pave way for my colleague to introduce also himself.
I'm Conrad Omega Ayako, E37-71-2021.
Oh, thank you so much, my colleagues, for that powerful introduction. So, in our project, we had to discuss about the functions and the structure of the human hair. So, I'll start with the introduction so fast as my colleagues will come, therefore, and discuss 1 or 3 things to move on. So, we have the structures of the ear. So, we have around 3 structures. That is the external ear, that is the external ear. We have the middle ear and the inner ear. So we just ask ourselves questions. How is this external ear, middle ear, and the inner ear work? So get prepared to know the functions and how they work in correlationship with every part of the ear. That is external, middle, and internal. So I welcome my next presenter that will take up the external ear.
I'll be taking you through the external ear. And the external ear, it comprises of a pinna, that is the outer protruding surface, the external auditory meatus, also known as canal, and the tympanic membrane. Talk about the pinna, that is the external protruding surface. The pinna is a projecting elastic cartilage covered with skin. Its most prominent outer ridge is called the iliacs. Iliacs, this is the one which is known as the iliacs. It contains also a lobule, which is a soft, pliable part at its lower end, composed of fibrous and adipose tissue, which is richly supplied with blood capillaries. It is a sensitive as well as effective in collecting sound waves. And that is all about the pinna. Let's go next to the external auditory meatus. The external auditory meatus, it is a tibial passage supported by cartilage in its exterior part and a bone in its inner part. The meatus, also known as canal, is an internally lined by lata, which is modified sweat glands. Modified sweat glands which secrete a wax substance known as the serum or earwax, which prevents the foreign bodies entering the ear like solid particles like dust. Let's go next to the tympanic membrane, which is also known as tympanium. This separates the tympanic cavity from the external auditory meatus. It is a thin and semi-transparent and almost oval, though somewhat broader above and below. The central part of the tympanic membrane is called the umbo. The end of the malleus is firmly attached to the membrane's internal surface. That's all about the tympanic membrane, also known as the tympanium. Let me take you through the functions of the external ear. These include it directs sound waves towards the tympanic membrane. The sound waves produce pressure changes over the surface of the tympanic membrane. The cerumen, also known as earwax, prevents the entry of the foreign bodies into the ear. That's all about the external ears. Let me usher my next colleague.
Thank you so much, Conrad, for that powerful introduction in the external ear. So I welcome you, the listeners, that you may listen to the middle ear. and I think we shall enjoy. Welcome so much, my next colleague, that will take us into the middle ear. Thank you.
Having been ushered in by my colleague, I'm going to take you through the middle ear. The middle ear consists of the following parts. It consists of the tympanic cavity and the small and the skeletal muscles. Now let me take you through the functions of the middle ear. The middle ear transmits sound waves from the external ear to the internal ear through the channel of the ear oscars. And the other function is from the tympanic cavity, extra sound is carried to the pharynx through the eustachian tube, and that is all about the middle ear. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That is the middle ear. So I will take you into the internal ear and then I conclude all. So in the internal ear we have two parts. That is the semicircular ducts and the cochlea. So the functions of these semicircular ducts and the cochlea is that for hearing, we have get the sound from the middle ear, so it gets to the internal ear. That is sensitivity of the ear. So the functions of the internal ear, that is hearing and equilibrium to prevent falling and whatever. So in conclusion, I want to thank you so much for listening. This is our project as the SZL students. So thank you very much. So get to know that the function of the external ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. So thank you very much and God bless you.